What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So NIO is right back at its low of this downtrend that's been going on for more than 3 years now. We're at the low point. Looks like we're probably going to be seeing a new low fairly shortly. You can see that price is still below this trend line right here. I used the two swing highs, dragged it over, and you can see that that's exactly where price got a reaction from, right at that swing high and this horizontal resistance at the 630 level. So price sold off, and it's looking like it's trying to make a measure move down because this was all one leg right here in the past. This was the start of the second leg. This was the first attempt right here that failed, and now we're seeing the second attempt to reach that measuring target. So this measuring target is at the $2.13 level. So NIO just not done going down yet. Overall, still bearish, and you can see that there's this downward trend line in play using the parallel lines, finding resistance off the highs, support off the lows, and we have room all the way down to the lows right over here. So again, still a bearish looking chart, short term and long term, medium and long term. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Again, these EV companies are not doing so well technically. Maybe fundamentally they are, but technically is what traders look at. If someone pulls up the chart and they take a trade, maybe for a couple of days, couple of weeks, couple of months, they don't care about the fundamentals because they're just going to be in and out. So it really doesn't have a large effect on their trade. I mean, earnings report, generally they stay out because, it can be very volatile. You can get stopped out. So maybe that's when traders definitely pay attention to the news, only when there's something that could be a detriment to the trade. But other than that, traders just pull up the chart. It's going down, looking for shorts, going up, looking for longs. I mean, it's a very simple way of looking at it. But again, traders are shorting this stock. Very easy to short. I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's giving opportunities to short versus going long. So traders rather take the better risk to reward in their favor, which is probably towards the downside. So again, this is looking like it's coming right back down to the all-time lows, sub $2. We're very close to those lows. Looks like there's not a lot of support built up from where we are right now to the lows. And again, that's where it's headed. Looks like just a bubble that popped. And again, the top was back in January of 2021. So again, that's 3 years. I mean, it could take another 3 years just to get back up there. So we'll see what happens in the future. But as right now, NIO is bearish short term and in the long term. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.